Today I'll show you how to use PayPal without a bank account. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on Halgenic. Now bank accounts are normally used in order to withdraw money from your PayPal directly to your bank. Now if you don't want to withdraw any money and you carry out all of your transactions online, you can easily do it without having a bank account as well. For that you need to link a card. So inside of the home page, if you have not linked a card, you'll be able to see the option called link a card. Just click on this option and here you'll be able to add in or link a card, type in your card details and then click on link a card. This way you'll be able to receive payments on your PayPal account and then you'll be able to also send those payments to family or friends or also pay online to purchase items. The only downside of not having a bank account is you won't be able to withdraw it into cash or into your bank account. Otherwise, if you transact online, a bank account is not needed. So that's the way that you use PayPal without a bank account. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.